Can inadequate counsel lead to wrongful convictions? Imagine being accused of a crime and trusting that your lawyer will fight for your innocence. Now picture that lawyer not doing enough to defend you. This can happen more often than you think. The right to counsel is a key part of the legal system in the United States. It is guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment, which says that anyone accused of a crime has the right to a lawyer. This right is meant to make sure trials are fair and that innocent people are not wrongly convicted. But what if the lawyer you get is not able to give a good defense? That is called inadequate or ineffective counsel. Inadequate counsel happens when a lawyer does not meet basic professional standards. This can be because the lawyer is inexperienced, overwhelmed with too many cases, or lacks the right resources. Sometimes, lawyers do not investigate the case properly, do not call important witnesses, or do not challenge weak evidence from the prosecution. In some cases, lawyers pressure clients to plead guilty without fully explaining their rights or what could happen if they go to trial. When someone does not get a proper defense, the chance of wrongful conviction goes up. Studies show that poor legal representation is often a factor in cases where innocent people are convicted. For example, if a lawyer does not challenge the evidence against their client or fails to look for proof of innocence, mistakes made by police or prosecutors can go unchallenged. This can lead to innocent people ending up in prison. This problem is especially serious for people who rely on public defenders. Public defenders handle many cases at once, which makes it hard for them to give each client enough attention. Even skilled lawyers can struggle to provide a strong defense when they have too many cases and not enough time or resources. So, even though the right to counsel exists, it may not always be a meaningful right in practice. Knowing your rights means understanding that having a lawyer is not enough. The quality of that lawyer matters a lot. If you are accused of a crime, you should ask questions about your lawyer's experience and how they plan to defend you. If you feel your lawyer is not doing enough, you can speak up. The legal system is supposed to protect you from wrongful convictions, but inadequate counsel is a real risk, especially if you do not have money or influence. You can take practical steps to protect yourself. Be informed about your rights, communicate clearly with your lawyer, and ask for updates. If something feels wrong, consider getting a second opinion. If you believe your lawyer did not give you a proper defense, you might be able to appeal your case. But proving ineffective assistance can be hard because courts have high standards for what counts as inadequate counsel. In the end, inadequate counsel can lead to wrongful convictions. The right to a lawyer is very important, but it must be a real, effective right. That means having a lawyer who is prepared, competent, and well-resourced. Knowing your rights helps you understand what you are entitled to and what to do if those rights are not being met. This knowledge can help prevent injustice and support a fairer legal process for everyone.